to do a video to record out the peak of my James Galway this spring, along with my Spirit of Freedom. Although it's not really at the peak, but I think it looks pretty good right now as well. So let's get started with the James Galway. So this James Galway is only I planted in year 2019 spring. So this rose here is about 2 years old, and I can show you how crazy it bloomed right now for me. And you can see that it's like one shrub is like the entire bouquet right now, and it lasts so very long on the bush, so you will have this gorgeous display for weeks, you know. So it's not like some of the roses, like the bloom will last only like a few days and then it will be gone. Now for James Galway, the bloom actually will last for a week, and because it's bloom in spray, so if you are looking for a rose that will give you a gigantic explosion effect, this is a perfect one. Just look at, like, this is one spray, and you can see how many buds it have. Let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So this can right here at the top already had 13 buds, and you can see I have so many spray. So that's why I make this rose so incredible. You see that? And this is because if it has so many blooms blooming together, this entire area right here, it just smells delicious. So currently this rose is climbing, not really at the top, but it's intertwined with my Spirit of Freedom right now. You can see up there they are kind of meeting with each other. And I have my Poseidon is pairing together with the James Galway, which I think they are really I would say they're almost I can say it's the perfect match to each other, because of they are really complementing each other. Let's see if I can show you. You can see, isn't that beautiful? So if you want to have a climber, and it's very upright, so I will really highly recommend James Galway. It's just so romantic and good. Very, very upright. The rain doesn't really destroy the bloom at all. Just want to it's just absolutely worth a spot in your garden. And keep in mind, this is only a 2 years old roses, just 2 years old. And I wish all my climber will bloom like this. It is now my most bloom climber in my garden officially.